Hi, I am Amit Lunkad from Sitabai Thite College of Pharmacy, Shirur. Today, my topic of presentation is Structural Activity Relationship of Thiazide Diuretics. After completion of this presentation, learners will able to describe structural activity relationship of thiazide diuretics. Let's start the structural activity relationship of thiazide diuretics. Here is the general structure of thiazide with numbering. So as it contains a fused ring system as benzene ring fused with the heterocyclic ring, and this heterocyclic ring is thiazide. So combinedly this ring system is 1,2,4 benzothiazine 1,1 dioxide. Okay, so this ring system which are present in thiazide. The substitution which we add to this position number 3 and to the position number 6. Okay, to this position number 3 and position number 6. We made changes to this position and there are the different effects it shows. So let's moving to the which are the different effects. So the first point is the position second can tolerate the presence of relatively small alkyl groups such as methyl. So only the methyl group, if you replace this hydrogen by methyl group, then only it doesn't have any effect. If you increase the alkyl size, then it affects to the activity. Alkyl substitution on this second nitrogen position decreases the polarity and increases the duration of diuretic action. This hydrogen atom at the second position is most acidic because of the electron withdrawing groups which are present to this neighboring sulfone group. Moving to the next point, substituents on the third position play important role in determining the potency and duration of action of thiazide diuretics. Substitution with a lipophilic group like Haloalkyl, Aralkyl or Thioether increases diuretic potency. Here is the example of Benthiazide, and it contains a Thioether substitution at the position number 3 and which are having a increased diuretic potency. Moving to the next point, loss of the carbon-carbon double bond between the third and fourth position of nucleus increases the diuretic potency approximately 3 to 10 fold. Here is the example of chlorothiazide which having a presence of double bond in between the position 3 and 4th position. But on removing this double bond, there is a formation of hydrochlorothiazide, and this hydrochlorothiazide having a increased diuretic action as compared to chlorothiazide because of removing the double bond in between the third and fourth position. And to this removed double bond between the third and fourth position, if you attach a substitution to this third position, then yes, it also gives a more diuretic potency. Moving to the next point, direct substitution of the 4th, 5th or 8th position with an alkyl group usually results in diminished diuretic activity. Means this position number 4, 5 or 8 must be unsubstituted. Next point, substitution of the 6th position with an activating group is essential for diuretic activity, and the best substituent include chloride, bromide, carbon trifluoride and nitro groups. Here is the examples of chlorothiazide and hydroflumethiazide, which contains a presence of chloride, and in case of hydroflumethiazide it contains a substituent carbon trifluoride, and yes, which are very essential for showing the diuretic action. Last point, the sulfoamyl group in the 7th position is essential for diuretic activity. Yes, in this chlorothiazide and hydrofluorothiazide, there are the presence of the sulfoamyl group at position 7 and which is very essential for showing the diuretic activity. So here we discuss about the structural activity relationship of thiazide diuretics. Hope all of you getting. Thank you and happy learning.